The Jamaica Olympic Association hosted the International Olympic Day recently at Emancipation Park in New Kingston, with various sporting bodies participating.
Globally, annually on June 23, International Olympic Day is recognized by 206 national Olympic committees. More than 15 sporting associations turned up inside the Emancipation Park, showcasing their skills under the theme, "Let's move, we can do it." And move they did, as dozens of spectators stopped by the various booths. President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, says their assistance goes beyond the 56 member associations.
Once a sport is birthed in Jamaica, that we should be there to assist them. Clearly the emphasis must be on Olympic sports, but the Jamaica Olympic Association has non-Olympic sports, netball, squash. And so we feel that exposing Jamaica to a myriad of sports and giving our young people opportunities to self-actualize in various sports is a way of building the infrastructure of sports and sustainability.
Now, while Jamaica is known globally for its athletic prowess, Samuda wants to get other disciplines excelling on the international stage.
So that is our aim, but we're not going to sacrifice value and we're not going to sacrifice principle for it. So we are saying to our association, organize yourselves. We are here to help you, we're here to build with you, but at the same time, you have to understand that Rome was not built in a day.
While netball is not yet part of the Olympic movement, President of Netball Jamaica, Karen Baugh, is hoping to change that soon.
We're actually here highlighting the World Netball bid for netball to be an Olympic sport by the 2032 Games, which will be in Australia. As you know, Australia is number 1 in the world, we're number 4, but we think we have a pretty good chance. So you can go to the World Netball page, sign the pledge, and show the support. They like to see that support is coming from right around the world and not just from the countries in Europe and Oceania.
Level 1 coach Alice Watson says Tennis Jamaica is on a mission to spread the game locally in a bid to give more players a shot of getting to the Olympics.
Tennis Jamaica is keen on supporting the efforts of the JOA. As you know, the JOA is committed to exposing. The JOA is that central organization that is the networking for all of the major sports, specifically the Olympic sports in Jamaica. And Tennis Jamaica works closely with JOA to do what they are trying to do today.
The first Olympic Day was observed on June 23, 1948. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.